Hi everyone, today we will talk about object-oriented programming in Python. And in this video, we will cover the basic classes and object. So without wasting any time, let's start the code. And we have student class. This class is simple a keyword as def and then named as student. And it will be capitalized. Then colon, now enter. So these indentations are very important. So take care of any indentation in classes. Now we have attributes, name as name and then age. Now we have no value of any attribute, so for now it's none and it's also none. Now let's create the object named as student1 and here class name student and then parentheses. Then if we print it, then print student1 and run it. Here it will not give any value because we don't have any value in our class. So to add some values at here directly, we have to add a syntax in class. So here we will add a syntax. So def underscore underscore init underscore underscore then parenthesis and then colon. And now we can add any value at here easily. And before adding any value, we will use a keyword self. And this self is a telephone line between class and object. We can access any value by using self. And then our attributes are parameter and then name and then age. Now self dot name is name and then self dot age is age. Now here we will add the student name as Arjun and then age 29. And to access the attributes, here we write print student1 dot name and then print student1 dot age. And if we run it, then here we will get two values, Arjun and 29. So we store all these values for one time in class, and now we can access these all values for multiple students. So we can try it by creating the second object named as student2 here our class name student and student name, let's say Henry and age 19. And now print it, print student2 dot name and then print student2 dot age. Or if we run it, then here we have Henry and then his age 19. So by this way we can assess these values for multiple students. So what did we learn today? First of all, class, it's a blueprint and we store all values for one time in class and then use for multiple objects. and then add constructor, then self, and then how to add parameters, also known as attributes, and then how to create a object. And that's it for today, and in the next video we will discuss about class methods and self.